Nearthlab's AIDrone, a new era of autonomous drone solutions. South Korea's Nearthlab, a pioneer in autonomous drone solutions, has made its debut in the hardware sector with the unveiling of AIDrone at the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, 2024. The AIDrone, a blend of artificial intelligence and drone technology, is designed to assist a wide range of tasks across multiple industries, including infrastructure inspections, renewables, defense, and public safety. Started in 2015, Nearthlab has been focused on solutions that prioritize simplicity and reducing the learning curve for users, developing adaptable, user-friendly designs tailored to the unique needs of various industries. Their entry into hardware manufacturing reflects their experience in the drone ecosystem. AIDrone, key features. The AIDrone comes equipped with several notable features. High-performance payload. The AIDrone is fitted with a 64MP EOS/IR camera mounted on a dual-axis gimbal that supports vertical rotation of up to 200 degrees. This allows the drone to detect millimeter-sized cracks and subtle temperature changes in challenging environments. Robust and adaptable airframe. Currently undergoing rigorous MIL STD81H testing, the AIDrone boasts a durable frame, ensuring resilience and adaptability against diverse environmental conditions. Next-level autonomy. Building on Nearthlab's cutting-edge vision-based autonomous flight technology, as validated by the success of Nearthwind Pro and Mobile, which earned the prestigious 2022 CES Innovation Awards, the AIDrone can execute tasks autonomously even in zero-light and GPS-denied environments, both indoors and outdoors. Weighing in at just about 4 pounds and featuring a foldable structure, the AIDrone is an ultra-adaptable drone solution tailored for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, as well as crisis management, including wildfire response and law enforcement. A new chapter for Nearthlab. AIDrone is the culmination of our extensive experience collaborating with leading equipment manufacturers and clients in leveraging drones for asset inspections, said Jay Choi, co-founder and CEO of Nearthlab. We're confident that AIDrone will usher in new possibilities, propelling the drone industry forward by addressing the long-standing need for high-quality hardware that can keep pace with the rapid advancements in software.